Have you ever had a moment where nothing outside you changed, but something deep inside you did? A moment when your breath shifted, your body tingled, and something invisible started to rise within you. You couldn't explain it, but you knew something sacred is happening to me. And since then, you have felt emotional, restless, sensitive, or even scared. You have become a stranger in your old life. If this is you, please hear me. You are not broken. You are not alone. You are awakening. And yes, sometimes Kundalini awakens before we feel ready. Let's talk about it honestly, deeply, and soul to soul. What is Kundalini? Kundalini is not a concept. She is alive. She is the sacred force of consciousness, curled like a serpent at the base of your spine. She holds the truth of who you are, the power, the stillness, the light you forgot. And when the time comes, she awakens. Not because your life is perfect, but because your soul whispers, now. Why does she awaken like this? This question matters most because the awakening doesn't always come in peace. It often comes in the middle of a storm. Why? Because Kundalini doesn't listen to your schedule. She listens to your soul's timing. And the truth is, your soul may have been waiting for this moment for lifetimes. Maybe in a past birth, you walked a spiritual path. You meditated, chanted, practiced deeply, but something interrupted the journey. You never completed what you began. And now in this life, that energy stirs again. This isn't something new. This is the continuation of your soul's unfinished work. You didn't ask for it in words, but your soul cried out, I didn't come here to sleep through another life. And so she awakens. Not to destroy you, but to burn everything that no longer fits who you are becoming. So what happens when you are not ready? Let's talk about what it actually feels like. Because when Kundalini rises through a system that's unprepared or blocked, it doesn't always feel divine. It feels like an inner earthquake. You feel overwhelmed. You can't sleep. Your body shakes. Your breath changes. You sense other people's emotion intensely. You start to question everything. Emotional waves crash into you. You cry for no reason. Old pain surfaces. Memories from childhood or even past lives come back like waves. This isn't madness. This is cleansing. This is truth rising. You feel distant from people you love. Small talk feels unbearable. Crowds feel loud. Even familiar faces feel far. Because you are no longer the version of yourself that used to fit in there. You are in between identities, shedding the old, not yet in the new. So you feel spiritually confused. Meditation feels blocked. Mantras feel dull. Nothing seems to work. You feel like you have lost the path. But in truth, the old path is dissolving. You are being rewritten. Is this a mental breakdown or a spiritual breakthrough? This is the part no one talks about, but everyone needs to hear. Yes, the symptoms can look similar. Panic, racing thoughts, insomnia, disconnection, emotional overwhelm. So how do you know? The source is different. Mental distress often comes from energy being trapped, suppressed, and denied. Kundalini awakening happens when energy finally begins to move. Sometimes it surges too quickly before the body is fully prepared and the nervous system struggles to adjust. But not always. Many people have prepared consciously or unconsciously. Some souls have been preparing for years or lifetimes through suffering, silence, devotion, or simple sincerity. So when the energy rises in them, it flows more gently, like water through open channels. That's why not every awakening feels like fire. Some feel like a homecoming. It's not always a breakdown. It's not always a crisis. Sometimes it's a fierce grace. Sometimes it's a soul finally becoming visible. And even when it's intense, there's still a strange knowing inside you. This isn't insanity. Something sacred is unfolding. But still, get support. There's no shame in talking to someone, a spiritual teacher, a trauma-informed therapist, a healer who understands energy. Because your awakening deserves safety, grounding, and guidance. It doesn't make you weak, it makes you wise. What can you do right now? Not force, not fear, just presence. Slow down. Let your body catch up with your soul. Rest, breathe, walk slowly. Ground yourself. Touch the earth. Sit under a tree. Feel your feet. Let the energy move down, not just up. Speak your truth. Say aloud, something sacred is happening to me, even if I don't understand it yet. That sentence alone can shift your energy. Offer it to the divine. Whisper this: Shakti, I surrender. Please rise through me gently. how to carry you with love. And she will. Kundalini doesn't rise to punish you. She rises to wake you up. She burns through illusions so your soul can finally shine through. Yes, it may be messy. Yes, it may scare you. Yes, it may feel like your world is falling apart. But it's not destruction. It's sacred becoming. And one day, when the fire has settled, you'll look back and say, that storm didn't destroy me. It opened the door I was born to walk through.